Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save OneNote as a PDF. So I currently have this notebook right here, and it has two sections. I'll show you the different ways we can go ahead and save this. So if I come here at the top left and click on File, and then I click on Export, so we can export as a PDF right here in different ways. So if you wanted to export the current page, you can export that as a PDF. Just one section, you can export that as a PDF, and also the whole notebook. So I'll do each and show you. So for a page, just click on PDF and then click on export. Okay. And there we go. It's asking us to save this. So we'll just go ahead and save that specific page. I'll open each one of these and show you. So I'll come back to export and then export just the section. There we go. Export this one as well. And now we'll go ahead and do the whole PDF. Okay, the whole notebook as a PDF. Select PDF and click on export. Okay, really that easy and simple. And now I'll open up my file explorer. All right, so here we go. We have all three right here, and I can open all of them in my Chrome. So here we go. This is the whole section. This one is the whole of the notebook as a PDF as well. Okay, there we go, still loading up. And this is the whole notebook as a PDF. And this one was a page, but the thing is, this whole entire page was 4 pages. So you can go ahead and add extra pages right here if you only wanted 1 page. This one is 4 pages, and the whole section is also 4 pages. That's why we have 2 PDFs of 4 pages. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.